Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to each and everyone. So today's video, we will continue our discussion last meeting. Um, as you can see here, our topic is still a continuation on organic and biological molecules. So it means that this is the continuation, or this is another um, discussion, okay, um, regarding on our hydrocarbons, no, or derivatives of hydrocarbons. Okay, so before that, okay, I just have to inform you that please take a print of your copy of these manuals to serve as your guide during our discussion. Okay, and okay, kindly use your own headphones, to clearly understand what we are saying here. Okay, so okay. Now, before that, a piece of remind about after these topics, no, um, that we are having. Okay. We will be having our um, kuan. We will be having our laboratory. Okay, and since we are not able to have this physically, I will let you to perform this on your own home. Okay, and kindly anyway, magbibigay lang naman ako ng instruction just to remind you that after this magkakaroon tayo ng laboratory, and you will perform it inside your house. Okay, so okay, and at the same time, after that laboratory activities, um I'm planning to have our reporting about our next topics. Okay, and I will also give you some of our criteria and the basic rules on our reporting. Okay, and after that, we will be having our midterm exams na naman, no, and then we will be having our defense, and after that we'll be having our final exams. Okay, so marami tayong activities dito, inshallah. Okay, so now, proceed tayo. So we have here continuation of organic and biological molecules. Okay, so um, recall that from our previous discussion about alcohols, carboxylic acids, aldehydes, and ketones. Okay, are all organic compounds in which it becomes from the hydrocarbons and some substituent that is being bonded with hydrocarbons to form such um, compounds. Okay, for example, for our um, alcohol, no, it actually formed, okay, it actually formed when some of our hydrocarbons is being reacted or being bonded with our um, a water group or H2O group. Okay? Yung H2O natin nabawasan ng isang O, and then yung isang bonding nila na slot is pinad natin doon sa hydrocarbon groups natin. Okay? So yun. So same as these topics here, we have here amines and amides. Okay? These amines and amides are all compounds also, and becomes from the reaction or bonding of hydrocarbons and some substituent. Okay, kung sa last natin na discussion is may para ma-form natin yung alcohols or carboxylic acids, we are bonding hydroxyl group, okay, sa hydrocarbons natin to form such organic compounds. Okay, in this case, no, instead na carboxylic acids yung pangbad natin sa hydrocarbons natin, ang ginamit natin dito is basically ammonia. Okay, or its formula is NH3, or basically, okay, ang bago rito na element, no, to be bonded with these hydrocarbons, okay, or to be bonded with our known hydrocarbons, okay, is nitrogen. Okay, So we have here NH3. So ibig sabihin nito, yung NH3 natin, pag nabawasan yun siya ng edge, so ibig sabihin naging NH2, tapos yung slot niya na isa is binand natin sa hydrocarbons natin, magkakaroon tayo ng amines. Okay? Now, kung babasahin natin to siya, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay? So, meron tayong classification of amines, no? As we can see here, meron tayong primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay? The same with our previous, no, sa discussion na yung alcohols natin, meron tayong primary alcohols, meron tayong secondary alcohols, meron tayong tertiary alcohols, pero magkaiba sila ng concept. Dito sa amines, okay? Pag yung NH3 natin, no, isa lang yung nabawas na edge, ibig sabihin naging NH2, tapos yung isang slots is na-connect sa any kinds of hydrocarbons. For example, yung methyl, no? So isang hydrogen, isang carbon lang, yung 'di ba yung methyl natin is isang carbon at saka apat na hydrogen. Okay, so assuming natin na nabawasan din yun siya ng hydrogen, tapos yung NH3 natin or ammonia natin is also nabawasan ng hydrogen, tapos giband natin sila, okay, to consume or to fully consume that slots sa kanilang bonding outer shell. Okay, so ang nangyari is nagkaroon tayo ng other group of organic compounds which called as amines. Okay, tapos isa lang yung nabawas sa NH3 natin, no? Isa lang yung nabawas na hydrogen, so ibig sabihin primary siya, okay? Primary amines, okay? Tapos if dalawa yung nabawas na hydrogen, lahat na palitan ng hydrocarbons or any carbons, no? Ibig sabihin ng secondary, okay? Tapos pag tatlo na naman yung nabawas, ibig sabihin yung NH3, lahat ng hydrogen niya is nabawas, okay? Lahat na palitan ng hydrocarbons, ibig sabihin nun tertiary amines na yun siya, okay? So kung babasahin natin tong definition na to, yun yung ibig sabihin niya, okay? So yan. Okay. So we have here some examples of our amines, no? So for example, this formula CH3NH2, okay? So this formula here is came from NH3 at saka CH4, no? We know that from our previous topics, yung CH4 natin is methyl, no? Methane. Ibig sabihin apat na hydrogen at saka isang carbon. But since nag-bond sila nitong si NH2 or NH3, nag-bond sila, so nabawasan ng hydrogen. Same with NH3, nabawasan ng hydrogen, so naging NH2 lang. So ibig sabihin amines na to siya. Okay, amines. Now we are mostly using a common name of these amines, no? So ang ginagawa natin dito to have our common names is that, okay, binibigyan natin siya ng pangalan, no, using our previous hydrocarbon. So for example, the CH3 here, no, we know that yung CH4 is methane, but since naging group na lang siya kasi nawalan siya ng isang hydrogen, so naging methyl, okay? So but since may nakakonect sa kanya na NH2, so ang idudugtong natin or gagawin natin suffix sa kanya is yung methyl amines. Okay? So, sabi dito, primary siya kasi isa lang yung nabawas na hydrogen sa NH3 natin. So, naging NH2. Okay? Same with the second example, we have here ethyl amine. Ethyl kasi coming from the word ethane. So, ethane is dalawang hydrogen at saka anim na hydrogen. Okay? But since isa lang yung naalis na hydrogen, so naging ethyl na yan siya at saka same with NH2. Coming yan siya sa coming from NH3, but since nabawasan ng hydrogen, so naging amines siya, okay? So ang pangalan niya rito is ethyl amine, okay? And it is also primary kasi yung NH2 natin, okay, is or yung NH3 natin isa lang yung nabawas na hydrogen, so naging NH2 na yan siya, okay? So this one here same pa rin, so secondary kasi NH lang yung natira sa NH3, so ibig sabihin yung dalawang hydrogen is nawala, okay? Yung dalawang hydrogen is nawala. So dito naman tertiary kasi nitrogen lang yung natira sa NH3 natin. Okay? So that's all. Okay? So pakibasa na lang to siya. Okay? Itong usually, no, They are assigning a nomenclature for complex okay, amines, no? So, ang ginagawa nila is, ang ginagamit nila instead of amines, ang ginagamit nila is amino, okay? Same with this one, we have here 2, kasi we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so, apat na hydrogen. So, yung NH2 is naka-connected sa pangalawang carbon. So, naging 2-amino-butane na yun siya, 2-amino-butane, okay? So, yun. Okay. So dito tayo sa amides. No, same with amines. No, amides is also a hydrocarbons, no? From hydrocarbons and ammonia, which is NH3, but the only difference is that amides is the results of amines, no? So amides is actually from amines, but ang nangyari dito is that instead of hydrocarbons yung binand natin kay NH3, ang binand natin is hydroxyl group. Okay? I mean, carbonyl group. And that carbonyl group is from our previous discussion. So, ito yung example niya actually. No? Ito siya, itong part na to, ito yung carbonyl group natin, itong C double bond with O at saka R. So, yan yung carbonyl group natin. Tapos, binand natin siya sa NH3 natin. Okay? Or NH2. Okay? So, yan. So, yan yung mga examples ng amides. We have here acetamides and we have here hexan amides. Okay? So, yan. So we have here amides, sabi dito, pakibasa lang, we have amides can be produced when carboxylic acids react with amines or ammonia in a process called amidation. A water molecule is eliminated from the reaction and the amide is formed from the remaining pieces of carboxylic acids and amines. Okay, so yun. Parang from the reaction of amines and carboxylic acids, carbonyl group, nagkaroon tayo ng amides. Okay? So, yun. So, be differentiate with that too kasi magkaiba siya amines and amides. Okay? Although, parehas sila ng substituent na naiban sa ating group. Okay? Pero, magkaiba sila ng root group. Okay? So, yung isa is carbonyl group. Yung isa naman is purely hydrocarbons. Okay? Hydrocarbon groups. So if you have any question regarding these topics, you may just have to ask me, okay, through our Edmodo class, okay? So that's all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.